Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to create a wormhole twist 3D pattern using Python. So let us start this by importing the required libraries. So here numpy is used for numerical calculations and matplotlib.pyplot is used for plotting graphs and visualization, and Access 3D enables 3D plotting in matplotlib. So to create a wormhole twist 3D pattern, now we'll generate data for the spiral structure. So firstly we'll generate the data for theta, it means the angle of rotation. So this generates 1500 values from 0 to 2 pi and controls how many circular rotations, which is 25 rotations. So the bigger theta range will give you more twist. Now we'll create the vertical height, it means Z value. And this creates a 3D axis, which means one plot and one area. Now we'll plot the wormhole spiral line. So this adds tiny dots along the spiral line where C theta gives the color depends on theta angle, and C map is equals to cool, which gives gradient cool colors, and S is equals to 2, which gives the dot size to 2. And it looks like energy particles swirling around the wormhole. And now we'll style the plot. This adds a suitable title to the plot with color white and font size 18. So this sets the background color to black for a space-like look, and now we'll hide the grid of the pattern. This removes the grid lines from the pattern, and now we'll remove axis and tick. So this hides X, Y and Z axis numbers for a clean and visual design, and here at last we will display the plot. So here we can see a wormhole twist 3D pattern. So thanks for watching this video.